Izinkumbi zabantu zithamele inkonzo yePhasika ebandleni eThekwini Community Church. Umholi webandla uMbishop Vus'Muzi Dube uthi lesi isikhathi sibalulekile kumaKristu. Uthi amabandla abamba iqhaza elikhulu eqinisekiseni ukuthula emphakathini.
We must acknowledge that the church played a role in bringing peace, in bringing stability, in making people work together in terms of forgiveness. Even today, the word that was said by Jesus, the first one, Father, forgive them, for they do not know what they are doing. I believe if you can create a world of love, forgiveness will have stability.
Abathamele lenkonzo bachaza usuku lwanamhlanje njengolubalulekile ezimpilweni zabo.
This day is just about renewing our faith and also just reminding us of who we are as a people and what we should stand for if we say we are Christians. It's about sacrifice and it's about laying the way that Jesus laid his life for us so that you can have eternal life.
Uma ukhula vele isikhathi siyahamba ubona ukuthi no yazi sesithi isikhathi ngiku music industry and kunomuntu oloke khona ngasonke isikhathi evikela impilo yami. So kubaleke ukuthi ikhathi amaphasika uhamba uyovela uyomdumisa uNkulunkulu ngokugcina kwakhe.
Khona kwaZulu Natal umkhandlu amabandla iDiakona ubambe inkonzo yePhasika eThekwini. Le nkonzo ehlanganisa amabandla ahlukene ithanyelwe izikhulu zikahulumeni okubalwa kuzo uNdunankulu wesifundazwe uThamsanqa Ntuli, imeya yeTheku uCyril Xaba nephinyi likaNgqongqoshe wezokuthutha uMkhuleko Hlengwa nabanye. Kusenjalo angaphezulu kwezinkulungwane ezintathu amalungu ebandla iMethodist Church of Southern Africa eJabavu eSoweto athamele inkonzo yePhasika.
uJesu wethu la sihamba khona umuntu ohlanganisa abantu. uJesu wethu, like we are saying this year that we are repositioned by the cross to flow while the other side awaits. We are simply saying the cross needs to be shared. The cross must reach places where we cannot find people ukuthi bafana nathi.
Leli bandla lithi kunesidingo esikhulu sokuthi kukhulekele lelizwe njengoba libhekene nezinselele eziningi.